and boom, the words come out. Nature is geographic. When do I come out though? When do I come out? Do I come out now? Hmm? Do I come out now? Is it recording now? Is it screen recording? Oh shit. What do I say? Where's my fucking script at? Bitch, where the fuck is my script? What the fuck? Welcome to Nature Is Geographic. I am your narrator, Jeremy Harlen. I don't know where my script is at, but I better get my script because I'm just wanging it right now. Like, okay, we see a flat leaf, some sort of plant, green leaves on top. I don't know. I need my fucking script. You know, I pay people for these, and for real, like, what the fuck? What kind of plant is this, first of all? Like, okay, let me see what I got. Okay, well, I went to biology school, so I know this is a weed plant. No, it's not a fucking weed plant because I myself smoke weed, so it can't be a weed plant. But it's a plant. You know, we on episode 1 we discussed how we can detail a plant because it got leaves and stems, and it gotta be green. It can't be looking dead either. But this shit looks hella green. Look at that! Oh my god, it's so green. You know, this remind me of my weed I picked up this morning. You know, like shit, that shit was so good. That ooh, I smoked that shit with Fernisha. Fernisha was right here. She went up and said, "Hey, can I take it?" I said, "Hell yeah, come on." Shit, you ain't hit this shit. You already know. Oh shit, the scene changed. My bad. I was telling this story, y'all. Okay, so this is a jungle plant because I seen this shit in Tarzan, okay? And this shit, you know, when they be swinging on that shit, on the vines, that shit, the vines, that shit, Tarzan gets on that shit, and he be gliding through the fucking jungle. That shit is like the Metro, but the jungle version, and it's all nature, you feel me? So you could get around and shit. You don't gotta pay nobody. You just gotta hang on tight, because if you fall, bitch, you breaking a fucking arm, or you dead, or the crocodile eating you, or either a snake is gonna fucking eat you, a piranha plant. I don't know, but it's a jungle, so you find weird ass animals out here. Like animals we haven't even discovered the whole fucking world. Like, you feel me? Like under the sea is like 50% of it hasn't even been discovered. So that's half of the fucking sea that hasn't been discovered. You feel me? So okay. Other than talking about the sea, how did we ended up in the fucking sea? Like, we were talking about the Junggllees, you know? Like, shit. How fucking long is this video? For real? Like, I just told my whole fucking story about the jungle and the ocean. Shit. When is the next clip gonna come out? Trees? A dead tree? Why are we taking footage of a dead tree when we had shit ton of fucking alive trees in the fucking jungle? Like, we legit went to the jungles to get fucking live trees footage, and we're taking a fucking footage of a dead tree. We could have gone to California for that, you know. They be on that little dry out and shit, but with Nature Geographic, and we need to inform you that shit, California been getting some thunderstorms, some lightning shit, and they're getting another thunderstorm tomorrow. So that shit is even more crazy. Like, I heard it hasn't even stopped raining in California. Shit. Oh fuck, what the fuck is this? Oh, okay. A plant with spikes? The fuck? Okay, I see you. This man is not fucking with anybody. He's saying, get the fuck out my territory, bitch. Don't be fucking eating on me, cause my spikes, my thorns, this shit will poke your ass and probably give you some venom and kill you. Period. But for real though, damn, them shits are thick too. Okay. Okay, why are we, okay, leaves, the fuck out the way. We know what are leaves. We went over that episode what? Okay, I see that plan. I see. Okay, I know what Nature Is Geographic trying to do. Trying to do a little dramatic and shit. I see you, bitch. I see you. Okay, this is why I got a job here, y'all, because you know, shit. But anyway, look at that thorns. They be looking good. Girl. Damn, she got thorns. Look at that shit. Ooh, girl, you looking good. Ooh, that thorn thick. You thick, girl. You, ooh, baby girl. Okay, period. Looking good with that pink in the background with some green going on and some thorns. Ooh, you remind me of my wife that I don't have, but soon shit I will have. If we get to marry plans in the fucking future and get to find out which is a male and female. How do people know what is female and male from a plant? I know we Nature Geographic, but we don't do that kind of shit. That shit kind of weird, you know? But we know this is a female because it got beautiful flowers on top and it got some thick ass motherfucking thorn that will spike your shit if you fuck with her. So I don't fuck with her. Because even if she got her nails on, bitch, she'll clap your excuse me, I was choking on my fucking gun. She'll clap your motherfucking ass in front of everybody and she won't give it no fuck. Look at her. She's saying, no fuck giving. Okay, no fuck your bitch ass up in front of your fucking side bitch. Bitch. Okay, let's go to the next footage. What's next? Ants. Okay, we got some bugs now. We got some ants on these trees. Look at all that motherfucking looking tree. Okay. Period. This just gonna fall apart one day and everybody's gonna fucking die who lives in this motherfucking tree. Because this is why these ants are like going all over the place because shit, they trying to get out of this motherfucking tree because they know the water is coming and they know they gotta collect food and they know this tree is not gonna last long, so they gotta get the fuck out and get all that food out that they collected for the rain, you know, for the rainy season. And now they gotta get the fuck out of that tree because that tree, bitch, that tree is gonna break down. It's like your mama telling you not to drive that car, but yet you drive that fucking old ass rookie ass motherfucking car down the avenue, and all you trying to do is flex on your friends, and all of a sudden your car breaks down. Okay, and now you gotta call your mom before she can pick you up, and then she be cussing at you and telling you shit in front of all your friends. See how I was right, I told you not to take that fucking car, but you wouldn't listen to me. I know, can you please not in front of my friends? I don't give a fuck if your friends out here or not. Okay, they gotta listen to the bullshit and the dumbass shit you be doing. Okay, that sounds like my mom, I bet. Okay, this is what I'm telling these ants. Shit. The fuck was I telling these ants again? Shit. I don't even know. I was talking about my mom getting mad at me. You feel me? Listen to your mom, y'all, because they be telling the truth sometimes, you know. I be scared of my mom because sometimes she be telling the truth. But this rookie ass motherfucking trace gonna fall apart. I kind of want to acknowledge one team. It is the Nature Is Geographic team, because they go out there and they be doing some crazy ass shit. They be going and filming animals fight, eating each other and shit. Sometimes they even get attacked and shit, and they be going through some crazy ass motherfucking weather. Look, while in this film, it started to rain on us. Oh my god, we had to run in for shelter. Umbrellas broke down. Okay, shit happening. So you all gonna hold up, because I need to take my hit. Is Jeremy even breathing? Oh my god, check out his production. Jeremy? Are you okay? Shit. Here, take. Fuck. My bad, y'all. So, shit. Hold on. Can we retake this shit? No? Okay. Well, you know, do all that YouTube shit, that subscribing and sharing, you know. We gotta get that shit up there, you know. We gotta get this show known. You feel me? Well, this was Nature Is Geographic. Thanks for watching, y'all. Okay, pass the fucking blood, y'all. Y'all are selfish as fuck. Pass the fucking blood, bitch.